So what exactly can we say about the Reggae Boyz' non-performance and fully predictable exit from the CONCACAF Gold Cup? Except, said the team, I go back where? With that little blip at home against Guatemala, looking more and more like a fluke. So it's away with the Gold Cup as we now look forward to the World Cup qualifiers. And do remember that ideally, it is still better to flop at the Gold Cup and take care of business in the qualifiers instead of the other way around. But importantly, we need to get one thing straight. In a regional context, Jamaica has good individual players, but we're playing ugly, disjointed, and chaotic football. And that must be a coaching problem, or a man management problem, or both. It cannot be a player problem, simply because the likes of Panama, Guatemala, even Costa Rica, they don't have our quality individual players, and yet they are playing good quality football. So Mr. McLaren, try dealing that then and tell us when.